Testing, 1, 2. Welcome everyone. Let's get underway. Thanks for joining me, guys. We're going to jump in and start looking at our systems here today, and obviously do a little bit of a run through of our agenda. So the first thing we want to get off the board is going through our agenda. Hopefully you've had a good weekend. We'll just quickly check the volume and sound to make sure that's coming through, and also our picture. You should see the Pro Trader Weekly Live Training picture coming through clearly. We'll just get a bit of feedback on that if I can. All good, excellent, fantastic. All right, guys. So today's session, the 28th of June, and let's jump in and see what we have today. So we're having a look at our top 10 systems. We're going to have a look at. We're going to talk about the optimization process. So, as you know, either this week or last week, you would have done an optimization on your strategy. So if you haven't done it last week, we need to do it this week. So we're going to go through and have a look at what that looks like. How do we do that? What does it involve? What inputs are we going to measure? And we're just looking at what's our process for our monthly optimization. We're going to have a look at some market momentum, and we're going to have a look at a little bit of opportunity that's coming up as far as some of the markets that we're looking at in trading. We're going to talk about the VFI release, which will be next week, next Tuesday, and we are going to cover off on the market directional indicator, the time-based indicator. So that's going to be released today. That part of it's going to be released today. We're going to look at some old systems that are making a comeback and why it's important to track some of the older systems. And obviously, as we get our website, that's going to make it a lot easier to do that. That's the automated website. And then there's the ongoing competency and review. So a little bit to cover off on today, but I'm sure we'll be able to kind of get through it fairly quickly. So let's go to our TradeStation chart here.